Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ahmed Lamayar. On this video I will provide an overview of what we will cover on the upcoming videos. Like how to connect web page to IBM app, from IBM app how to connect to the microservices. From a microservice we might save a data to MongoDB or different database, and a similar we might use a different database on a IBM app. And also this PDF I will provide it on a GitHub. You will get all the information like what we using on this videos, whatever. So the first step is we will create a web page. The web page will look like this. We will have a pizza restaurant where we click on it, they will go to order the payment, like you just buying a pizza and the pizza name will come and the price. You will fill the information and you will send a request. Once you send a request, the request would come to IBM app, and we will either invoke the microservice or we will use the IBM app itself. And same thing, you could even check the server, the health server. You could come and either you could put direct link on microservices and check it up, have it running, or you could do it through the separate app that we created, like click to check the server status. Once you click it right here, you see they will telling you the server is running fine. What happened right here, we send a request from right here to IBM. From IBM we invoke the microservice. From microservice we receive a reply back. So that's why this message come from this IBM microservice. It come all the way from right here. This is the microservices and they telling the service is okay. First time the request come right here. From right here we move on to health and we invoke that one, the microservices, then we give a reply. The requirement, you must download the tomcat, and also you need to download either Eclipse 2014 for the server. I will show you step by step. You will see the videos. I will mention it what to download. The Eclipse Java EE, this is the requirement. So MongoDB, MySQL, Eclipse, Java EL, or Tomcat server. And I provide you all the link on my GitHub. You will get it from there or on the video description. And once you click, and the data would save right here, like pizza restaurant. I just name it. This is my document. And the important thing is right here, each one, like HTTP local, there's a 112, we're using 112 port number. This for the web page. Each one represent different domain, like this domain is different than this domain. Like you will learn how we will configure the course that would able a website different domain would talk with IBM. IBM domain would talk with that microservice. Like each one represents separate and different domain. And also I will use on IBM app, probably I will use the Log4j. You will get familiar with Log4j, or either we will create our own log system. I think we do not need to use the Log4j. We will create our own log system, so that way there would be a less configuration. But I will show you both way. And also you could check my videos and Java videos, like how you wanna save the log. And similar right here, if we decided, we will use the Log4j. So, and also you need to download the MongoDB. Just remember once again, you need to download the MongoDB, MySQL, Eclipse. Make sure Eclipse to Java EE, because this one support is a little bit different than or either you could See, there's a Java EE, there's a Eclipse, there's a I downloaded. Either you could download it or you could just pick the perspective. You don't need to download it. Just click right here, pick the Java EE perspective. But because this is a, let me find it. Because mine is by default Java EE, it pick up for me because I downloaded. If you have Eclipse, you just click on this button and they give you the perspective. Just pick this perspective. The reason is, but they give you this option, that way you will put a tomcat. So you could watch my other videos, you will learn more about that. But just like once again I mentioned, so again we will create a web page that has a 3 page, and a web page would run on this port number. We will send a request, would come to IBM app, and IBM app we will do some logic, business logic, and we're using this port number or separate port number that they will give us, because when we deploy they just sign. If using HTTP they give you this port number, but sometimes they change it. I will tell you why during the when we configure the IBM app. Then after that we requesting the microservice that has Tomcat server itself, where we use the Spring Boot initializer, so you don't need to worry about that one, but still it's using Tomcat server. Then we will use MongoDB right here. So this is the complete overview. So see you on the next video.